Hello everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and today I'm going to show you a design element using split lettering. So we're just going to start out here with a nice thick font. I'm going to use PWA for Partner with Anthony. I'm going to make this text large. We'll just go through here and show you the steps how to do this. A lot of people use these for logos, stuff like that. Okay, so I have it highlighted here. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to bring the second one just straight down below. You can see that they're lined up there so that they're exactly even. All right, then I'm going to kind of get them here in the center. Doesn't look centered to me. I don't know how come my line's not popping up there to the center, but anyway, that's close enough. Okay, so let's go on to elements then. And then I'm going to add a box in here. I'm going to change the color to white in this case because my background is white. If my background was red, I would change this to red. So whatever your background is. Okay, so then let's bring that down and this up. Let's make it 3/4 of an inch or an inch wide, and then let's bring the sides out so that it covers the entire space. Okay, then just take your letters and kind of play with them a little bit here so that you get the effect of that there's one set of letters there that is split, and that's getting pretty close. You get the idea. You can play with it so that it looks the way that you want it to look. Then what I do is I add another text right in here, and then I write out like what my letters are referring to. And then since these are so large and that is so small, and this is just a personal preference, I would rather have the letters in this box here stretch out more so that they kind of fill the space a little bit better. So I'm going to select that box. You can see it's selected. And then I'm going to click on spacing here. And I'm going to say letter spacing. And I'm going to kind of stretch them out. Oh, I like that so much better. There. I love that. Okay, so that's how you do a split letter design with the writing in the middle. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. And I wish you all great success online. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.